Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabina and I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're new here then make sure you hit the subscribe button and check out all of my old content. I will be uploading quite regularly in December. I'm hoping to get 2 or 3 videos done every week. One of them will be a vlog and the other 2 will probably be different stuff. Somebody over my Instagram today asked whether I was doing Vlogmas, and then that was the first time that I was like, oh my god, it's December already. But I know I'm not doing Vlogmas this year just because I feel like it'll be too much and I won't keep on top of it. So I'd much rather just do like a vlog here or there, and then just some fun videos where I sit down and talk to you guys, and maybe do some of the highly requested videos that I've had throughout this year. But for today's video I'm going to be doing, I need to keep looking here instead of looking there. But for today's video I'm going to be doing a packing with me video. I've already filmed this once and the camera froze and I lost the whole clip, so I'm restarting. So hopefully I will cover everything that I need to, because sometimes when you refilm you forget that you've already said stuff and then you miss it out the second time. But if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and yeah, hit subscribe if you haven't already. So I'm off to Prague on Tuesday. It's going to be a really short trip. It's a 2 to 3 day trip. Just Maria and I are going with the Evening Standard. First time I'm leaving Noah since Hajj, so I'm a little bit anxious. I know it's only 3 days, but I'm going to miss him like crazy. But I feel like it'll be a really great opportunity to get lots of content done and get lots of work done. So I am excited. I'm probably overpacking. I've got a few outfits. Even though we're only there for 3 days, I'm taking this suitcase, which is a fairly big one for a 3-day trip. Maria was like, oh, she's just taking hand luggage, but I was like, no, I want to make sure I've got enough outfits and then hopefully I can film a lookbook whilst we're out there or something. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys what I'm going to be packing. I will probably do a baby packing video at some point this month as well, because I know a lot of you have asked for that throughout the year. And I've just never got around to filming it. So firstly I will show you my travel outfit. I've already planned what I'm going to be wearing or what I'm going to be travelling in. So these are the trousers that I'm going to be wearing. These are just some leather look jeggings from H&M. They were £25 and I got them for £20 in the Black Friday sale because they're 20% off. Guys, these are so comfy and I feel like they go with everything. And I've literally been wearing them to death recently. They're the same material as the skirt that I've got from Zara. I literally wear all the time, and since I've got these I haven't been wearing this skirt, I've just been wearing these, so I probably should find where the skirt is and start wearing it again as well. I'm going to be pairing it with these shoes, which are super comfy. They're flats, they're great to travel in. I also picked these up in the Black Friday sale. Selfridges had 20% off, as did Michael Kors. So yeah, I thought I would treat myself and I got those. And a lot of people on Instagram actually said they didn't like them. And my sister said, oh, you don't really have taste in trainers, do you? And I was like, well, I don't really care what you think. Like, I've picked what I like and I like them even more now that I have them. So yeah, I'm glad I got them. I'm going to be pairing the outfit with this top, which is just like a knitted black top. It's just a Ralph Lauren one that I also got in the Black Friday sales. I did treat myself to a few things, not gonna lie, but I just thought it would be like a comfy and warm top to wear whilst I'm traveling. For my black coat, I really wanted to take like 3 or 4 coats on this trip, which really I don't need to, and I'm just being excessive. But for my black coat, I'm still in 2 minds as to whether to take this or like my plain black one. This one's just got a lot of dust on it at the moment, and like the arms, I don't know if you guys can see from there, but like they just keep going like really bobbly. So I don't know if I'm going to take that, or this is the other options. This is super warm. It's long, it's flawless. I got it last winter. It's from Boohoo. It's just like a panelled coat and it's got pockets, but it's just great for chucking on top of an outfit, and Prague is supposed to be wet and cold whilst we're there, so I thought that would be a good idea to take that. I'm also taking this white coat, which I ordered again in the Black Friday sales. I was going to do a Black Friday haul, but honestly I just haven't had the time to sit down and film it. Like even this, it's 11:30 at night. This is the second time I'm filming now. This room is a mess. Noah's asleep, but I said I could just want to, God, I don't even know if I'm focused. As I could just want to get down and film it, because I do miss filming, but it's just so hard during the day. That's why I didn't film a Black Friday haul, so kind of show you some of the stuff I got then. But it's this white jacket. I got it from a website called Monkey. I ordered a black one as well, but they didn't send me the black one, and they were like, it's out, we can't send it for some reason and we'll refund you the money. But it was half price, so I picked it up for £33. It is like quite big. It's not my normal style, but it's so warm and it's so comfy. And yeah, I'm going to be taking this with me. This will probably take up the whole suitcase, if I'm honest. Oh, actually, before I move on to the rest of it, I'm going to show you my travel bag. So this is going to be like my hand luggage, the bag that I'm traveling with. It's the Mulberry Bayswater. The reason that I'm taking this is because it fits my laptop into my laptop charger, the camera that I'm using to film on right now, that along with another lens. Which lens? Let me show you the lens. Along with this lens, which is the Canon EFS 10 to 18 mm. The camera along with that lens and the battery charger will all go in here, so that I can vlog whilst I'm on my way there. The reason that I'm taking that lens is because there's so many beautiful sights in Prague. That's a wide lens, so hopefully it will capture all the buildings and everything, and then like if Maria and I want to get in the shot, we can get in the shot and have whatever in the back and that will capture it. I'm taking the tripod as well. It's probably going to be a pain carrying it around, but I always have a pushchair and baby stuff with me, so I thought a tripod in comparison to everything I carry normally isn't a huge difference. It's probably a lot easier, and it would just mean that any footage that I do get should hopefully be a lot steadier than me trying to hold the camera with my hand. So yeah, just needed to finish that. So in terms of other clothes that I'm taking, I'm also taking a white pair of jeans. I don't know if I will wear these. I haven't worn white jeans in so long, but because I'm taking a lot of white tops, I thought it would be nice to take a pair of white jeans. In terms of headscarves, I'm taking the underscarf that I'm wearing along with this black hot hijab and a white one. I wore this white one a couple of days ago after the longest time, and I really loved it. I was like, why don't I wear white more often? So that's why I'm taking a lot of white on this trip, and I'm taking this white scarf. In terms of tops, I feel like everything I'm taking looks the same, but I've got this white oversized French connection knit. The neck is like, look at that guys, this is why I don't really wear white because I always get makeup on it, but I just love the sleeves on this. This is a size medium. I probably could have sized down and got a size small, but I like the oversized look with that top, and it's just so comfy, so I've got that. I've also got this knitted like beige top from H&M. You know what I just realised? I bought Noah a very, very similar top to this 2 days ago, and the reason that I bought it is because I've got this cream top here, and I bought his top to match that, but actually it matches this. I've just realised that, but this was £10 in the sale. And then I've got a couple of more nicer tops. So, did I have another black top? Oh no, I took it out. So I've got this top, which is just a very fine knit white top. This is from H&M as well. It's got beading down the arms and then beading on the neck. Not that you'll be able to see it on the neck. It's just a really pretty, elegant top. I don't like the fitting too much because, like, I don't like the shape of it too much, but I loved the pearl beading on it so much that I was like, you know what, I'm going to get it. I'm an absolute sucker when it comes to pearls. But I thought that would be quite nice, like if we are doing dinner in the evening, me and Maria could wear that with like a pair of heels and it'd be nice. I'm also taking a dress. I know everybody's going to be like, it's super cold, why are you taking a dress? But I thought I could chuck one of the white tops on top of this if it does get too cold. And I just thought it's a really pretty dress to take. I'll probably pair it on top of jeans so that my legs stay nice and warm. But this is the one that I got in the Boohoo haul that I did a few weeks ago. So I'm taking that with me. I'm taking the shoes that I'm wearing, and then another 2 pair of shoes as well. So because I've got loads of white outfits, I thought I need to take some white shoes. Because we'll be out and about and exploring, I thought I would take these. These are my white Air Max trainers. I've hardly worn these. I've literally, I think, worn them 3 times. I think I wore them twice when I was pregnant, maybe a few times when I was pregnant. I took them to Dubai last year. And then I went running in them like 3 weeks ago, and oh my god, they were so painful. These are not running shoes. And then since then I haven't gone on a run because I'm like, oh, my trainers hurt. So yeah, I have got some new running shoes. So I need to start running and working out again, which I will do. I keep saying I'm going to start tomorrow, I'm going to start tomorrow, but I will start tomorrow. So yeah, I'm taking those. And then I'm taking these as well. These are my Primark booties. They have got a heel. They're so, so comfortable. And obviously I couldn't go like 3 days away and not take heels with me. And then this oversized, I was going to say blanket. It is like a blanket. This oversized scarf. This is from Zara. I got it last winter, and I just thought that the colours in here matched like a number of the outfits I'm taking. So I just thought it'd be great just to kind of throw on top of any of those. And then I will show you guys my other accessories. So I'm taking this Charles and Keith black bag. Guys, the quality of this bag is amazing. I have 2 bags from Charles and Keith. Got them both in Dubai. I think they're around £50 each, I want to say. The quality of these bags is honestly like luxury handbags. Like, they're just so well made. Like, when I first saw them, I'd never heard of Charles and Keith, so when I walked into the shop I was like, oh yeah, they're going to be too expensive. And then when I saw the price tag I was like, how is that the price for a bag that's this amazing quality? So I'm taking that. And then I'm taking a little Primark bag as well. I'm taking this white Primark bag with this gold detailing. This is the same one that I took to Mykonos. The quality of this one is not so great, as you can see. But I just think it's a really cute like bag. Just put my phone. Oh, it's got stuff in it. What's it got in it? I don't even know why it's got that in it. I can dip by now. And it was on the pants. So yeah, good job I opened it. But I'm taking this as well, just to wear with my white outfits. Also taking sunglasses. I'm being like really extra, but if for any reason I can't be bothered to put on my lashes or anything, shades are just good for like if I want to do like outfit pictures. I'm taking a belt as well. This is literally the prettiest, but I thought I could wear it with the dress. And that's probably the only thing I'm going to get to wear it with. But I just thought it's a really cute accessory and I haven't worn it in ages. And when I first bought it I was literally wearing it all the time. So I thought if it's in there then I might actually end up wearing it. I still obviously need to pack I'm not taking a ton of toiletries with me. I'm literally just taking toothpaste and a toothbrush and my deodorant. And the reason that I'm doing that is because hotels always have like shampoo and conditioners and body washes, and there's no point like putting in the extra weight and taking all my stuff and then just dragging it all back. It's only a few days. But I am taking all my makeup. How cute is this bag? It was a little gift from the Laura Geller team, but I've got all of my, let me see if I can pan down for this. Hold on. So I've got all of my, let me show you the top section first. So in the top section, oh no, okay, it's opened up to the bottom section. So I've got all my makeup in here. I've got like my setting spray, my moisturiser and my lip balm, my contour kit. I'm not going to go through everything, but I've got like a ton of different lip products just because I like to have options when it comes to lips, but everything else is kind of my go-to basic makeup. I just realised I don't have my lash glue in here, so I should probably put that in because when we went to Mykonos I didn't take it and then I couldn't wear lashes the whole week. So oh, it's got little pockets on the sides here as well. I didn't realise that. Let me slot that in there. So yeah, I've got my makeup in there, and then in the top half, let me zip this up first. In the top half here I've got some of my brushes, and then in this section here I've got just some jewellery that I want to take with me. I just find, especially recently, I've been loving accessories, and I find that they make a huge difference to outfits. So I've got like my Swarovski watch, and then this new Daniel Wellington watch that I've got as well, and my Primark hoops, my beloved hoops that I love to wear with everything. These little earrings which I got from, what's the name of, not ASOS, what's the name of the shop? Oh, it's going to really bug me now and I can't remember the name of the shop. It's like a shoe shop. I can't remember, but anyway, they do accessories as well, and I got these I'm sure it begins with A. Oh, I can't remember. But I got those as well. And then just some bracelets. So I've got like my Pandora bracelets and my Swarovski bracelets, and then some pretty little rings, and this big ring. I just feel like accessories make a huge difference to an outfit, so I squeeze those in there. And then for fragrance, I'm taking this little Jo Malone bottle. It's red roses and it smells amazing, and it will just fit in there really easily. I don't tend to take like full size perfume bottles when I'm going away, just because I don't want to risk, oh, I'm going to move this up again. I don't want to risk losing them when I'm on a holiday or forgetting them, because let's be real, fragrance is expensive and the last thing you want to do is forget a bottle on holiday. So I'm hoping all of that is going to fit in this little suitcase now. Obviously I still need to add in leggings, socks, underwear, deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, and I think, oh, and wipes. I'm going to put in some baby wipes as well. I love using baby wipes. and my Clinique take the day off balm. I knew there was one more thing, makeup remover. And that's it basically. That's everything I'm taking for a 2-day trip. I've probably made it more difficult for myself by putting all of this extra stuff in it, but it means I have those options there if I need them. Anyway, I feel like I probably did ramble a lot in this video, so I do apologise, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what videos you want to see throughout December in the comments below, and I'll see you all soon, inshallah.